In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an invoice on Shopify so your customers can conveniently pay via electronic funds transfer or for custom orders. This process is incredibly useful for businesses who wish to provide their customers with flexible payment options, enhancing both customer satisfaction and billing efficiency. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently navigate Shopify's interface and customize your order invoice notifications. Let's start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll have easy access to all the tools you need to manage your online store. Next, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left of your screen and click on Settings. This area is your command center for all store-wide configurations, including payment settings, shipping methods, and importantly, notifications. Click into Settings and you'll find various options laid out before you. Your task here is to select Notifications. This section of Shopify is where you manage how you communicate with your customers, whether it's about order confirmations, shipment updates, or in this case, invoices. Once inside the Notifications section, scroll down just a little to find Customer Notifications and click on it. Here's where you control the various email templates that your Shopify store sends out. In this list, you'll find the Order Invoice option. Selecting Order Invoice allows you to dive deeper into the specific email notifications that customers receive related to their invoices. This feature is key for not only ensuring your emails are clear and informative, but also for adding a personal touch or additional instructions unique to your business. After selecting Order Invoice, you'll see a button labeled Edit Code. Click this to enter the email template's code editor. This action might initially appear daunting, especially if you're not versed in coding. However, Shopify provides a fairly intuitive interface, making it possible to customize without needing to be a programming expert. For those unfamiliar with HTML or Liquid, Shopify's templating language, now's a great time to familiarize yourself with the basics, as it will enable you to tailor your emails to suit your exact needs. Once you're in the editor, take your time to explore the code, making tweaks wish to send specific messages or include particular details about payment methods. You can include instructions for EFT payments directly in the invoice body, ensuring clarity and reducing any barriers your customers might encounter when they're ready to pay. After you've made your customizations, make sure to save your changes. With this final step, your Shopify store is now set up to send custom invoices that can walk customers through the payment process with ease. Whether it's for a standard order or a tailor-made purchase, your clients will now receive friendly, clear, and actionable invoice notifications. Happy selling!